Hi there, in this video I will show you how to buy Ethereum in MetaMask. So first of all, open the MetaMask app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, now here on the top side we have networks. Click on it and from there choose Ethereum network. Once you choose it, now go back and there at the end we have buy Ethereum option. Click on it and now click on get started. From here you need to choose your region or your country, so I will go with mine and then click on continue. From here you can choose the payment method. You can pay with Google Pay or debit or credit card. So for now here I will go with credit card and then click on continue. So now you need to add amount, so minimum I will go with $50 here and then click on done. And if you want to change the payment method, you can change it from here and then click on get codes. So from there you need to add your card details and then you are good to go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, and if you still have any question, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.